Adding to Numpy.Nextafter, float returns unexpected result. According to Wolfram Alpha, this is true for x is greater than 2. To get the smallest possible x, I'm using Numpy.Nextafter. However, curiously, so how do I get the actual smallest possible x is greater than 2 for this case?
Yields. How floats are handled in Python depends on the underlying C library. Most C libraries implement the IEEE 754 standard for floating-point arithmetic. However, the IEEE standard does not guarantee that the same program will deliver identical results on all conforming systems. See page 249 of what every computer scientist should know about floating-point arithmetic, PDF, and also PEP 754. To be able to predict the value x without iteration, one would have to study how floating-point arithmetic is done, IBID, PDF, write down x in its general binary format. Substitute this into the inequality, and trace through the floating-point arithmetic algorithms to solve for the digits d corresponding to the smallest float that satisfies the inequality.
Anuppu's method should be pretty general. If what you're asking for is why it doesn't work after the first iteration, the answer is because of rounding. When you use Numpy.Nextafter, you're working at the limit of precision, so any arithmetic operation after that can't be trusted implicitly. In your case, it's probably the plus 16 that's the problem. 16 is a couple exponent bits up from 2, so you're going to lose that increment to finite precision. In this case, it takes one extra increment to get that sum to round up instead of down.